Hi, this is Emre Basman, Armina Stone. We are at Red Awards in Miami Design District. What a lovely evening. We are so honored to receiving an award for Inter Miami Freedom Park Stadium and Miami Heat Kaseya Center renovation. And tonight we are going to be all together with top developers, top architects, top designers, and so on and so forth. I would like to thank all the Armina employees who made this possible. Sincere thanks, and I would like to also thank our customers, and I would like to thank everyone who's supporting Armina brand in the world. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you.
Hello all, my name is Carla Martinez. I'm part of the Armina team. We are really excited to be part of this year of the award, and we're going to be awarded for Kaseya Center renovation for the phase 1, and we are part of Miami Freedom Park Arena, all the counters on the place, and we are really excited to be here. I strongly believe we deserve it because we need to complex the job in a really tight frame, like a small time frame, and all the team did amazing job. So I think we are really happy to receive this award this year.
Hello, I'm Jennifer Jacobson with Armina. I lead business development and have the privilege of building long, strong, lasting relationships with developers and subcontractors. We treat our clients like partners, and we make sure we bring their vision to life. First, a huge congratulations to all of today's Red Award winners. You're a true inspiration to South Florida, and we look forward to celebrating with you today.
Next award goes to the Contractor of the Year.
It's truly an honor to be here tonight and to accept this award on behalf of Armina. We are very grateful to the Red Awards and to everyone who made this possible.